So hello, uh, we have done this coding. We have created this page up to till now, but we have not created this a side section. We are going to learn how to create the side section in this lecture only. Except the aside section, all the things this author name aside section and the subscription form aside section, recent post aside section. We have not created in the previous lecture. We are going to learn in this lecture only. Rest of the things we have created in the till the previous lectures. You can see that these are the things that we have already completed. Now how to create a side section? For that we have to write inside the aside section. We have to use the aside tag, and we will divide everything under the div. See here, after the main, when the main items comes to an end, outside the main tag we will create aside, and we will create one section giving id and class name, anything name you can give. After that we give the heading, and we are divide using div for creating one form of the subscription form using action attribute we are not giving now. We have given the label and then the input, the label, then input, and then the subscription button, submit button you can say. So this is how we have created the form giving id and all, and then we have created the recent post section having id name, class name, and recent post can we have unordered list. So we have unordered list also with us. Now in the CSS page we are going to see the, but after creating the site section we are not going to get the thing that we have, that is we will not get in aside the value. For that we have to change in CSS something. This is about the border that you are seeing, this one, this underline above is what comes from this code. You can see border top 4px solid black, and about the input that we are going to give here, this one, this input that we are going to give comes from here, display block. I wanted display to be block. After that the background color of the input, margin bottom, padding, color, font size that we are going to insert any values. So these are about the input values. Now about the submit button that we have, the font size is to be 20 px, the submit text, background color, padding and all. Now come to the main part. Now when we created the aside section, actually this aside section has no space to come up, because earlier this main section was covering the whole 100% area. So we have decreased this area to 40%, and we had earlier the display was block, but we have changed to inline block, and we have created some margin right, margin left, and margin top. Now in the side section what we've done is width is equal to 21%, means the bits of this part I've created to be 21%, this part 21%. Vertical align top, actually this aside is bottom align, so for top alignment we have used the vertical align as top. Marginal left is 30 px. Now about the recent post, here also we have to create one border, the underlined one. You can see the underlined one above the recent post. Vertical align, we have to set a stop. Font family as sans serif, font size as 1 rem, margin left at minus 120 px. So this is how we have created the right part of the aside section. For the left part of the aside section, we have created in the HTML page only. See here, after the header part, we have created one div and paragraph naming the author name. So this is how we have created this form and a side section. So hope you have learned that. Thank you very much. Practice by yourself.